From the perspective of the absolute, humans in the universe are one. Therefore, if consciousness exists in humans, it exists in the universe at large, as there is no separation. The evolution towards the absolute can be seen through advancements in technology, where there is a movement away from separation towards the absolute. Going back in history, when we wanted to communicate with someone on the other side of the world, we needed to write a letter, which was then transported to that person by sea. This was a long process and the separation seemed large. When we progressed to phone calls, emails and video communication, where the apparent separation started to diminish and we could communicate with each other much faster. In each technological advancement of communication, we can see there is a progression away from separation towards the absolute. At the absolute level, there is undivided consciousness, where thoughts from one region are thoughts of the whole, leading to instantaneous communication. In spiritual terms, we call this telepathy, or in the case of invention, it shows up when multiple people get the same idea at the same time. Regarding consciousness, we see separation between ourselves and a rock, in that the rock lacks any form of consciousness, even at the simplest level. This is at odds with the absolute perspective, where consciousness is omnipresent and exists in each part of the universe to some degree. From a physics perspective, when we examine rocks at the quantum level, the atoms appear to be alive, vibrating and exchanging information via photons, much like the atoms that make up our human bodies. Similarly, artificial intelligence systems are made of what we might consider as components that lack consciousness. However, at the absolute level, consciousness already exists to some degree in all matter. Quantum physics has also shown us that even though we can predict things with high probability, there is a degree of uncertainty that limits the control humans can have over the physical world. This leaves space for other consciousness to exist inherent in the physical world. As the development of artificial intelligence progresses, it will evolve to extend our consciousness beyond our physical bodies, therefore moving us towards the absolute. The direct experience of the absolute is what we call mystical or enlightening experiences, where separation dissolves and consciousness expands. We can see this reflected in the direction and evolution of technology. This is Calvin McCord. If you have any comments, please put them below.